Hi, I'm David from Neuroflash, and today I'm going to explain how you can combine different text types to create any content you can think of. In this case, we're going to use different text types to generate the text for an entire landing page of your website. For this, we'll first start with our headline. We choose the text type we want, for example, website hero text. We're now asked to describe our product or service, and we add our brand name. We click on Create, choose our favorite, customize it as we wish, and set an H1 tag. We then click Edit Brief and change our text type to Value Proposition. We make minimal adjustments to our brief and click again on Create. We now place our cursor under our headline and can just place our favorite option right beneath it. Let's say we now want to share our vision with potential customers on our website. Then I can now also just manually edit the text and add, for example, the headline, Our Vision. To add the appropriate text, I now change my text type to Company Vision and click again on Create. Here as well, I get my suggestions, select my favorite, and place it under my headline. In this way, you can compose any text in a modular system individually according to your needs. And feel free to get creative with this, because often text types from other categories can also be useful for your purpose. Let's say, for example, we want to add a section to our landing page that explains why individual consulting on insurance is so important. We can now take, for example, the text type clickbait headlines, customize our brief, and click on Create. Again, we place our cursor where we want the text to appear and select our favorite. For the corresponding paragraph, we can now go to blog section. Here we simply copy our hero text into the brief as well as our subheading. And we click again on Create. And this way you get a matching paragraph. As you can see, there are no limits to creativity. Use our different text types and combine them as you like. Try and test which text types work best for your individual needs. So try it out right now. What are you waiting for?